Ever felt dizzy or lightheaded, ruining your day completely? I have. I used to struggle with balance issues while trying to stay active. Scrolling online, I found Claritox Pro, a natural solution for balance health. Made in the USA, FDA approved, GMP certified, sounds trustworthy, right? Non-GMO, toxin-free, and not habit-forming. Exactly what I wanted. Its natural ingredients promise to support your balance system effectively. After using it, no more dizziness or confusion. My days feel brighter. Now I move freely, stay active, and enjoy life without fear of imbalance. Imagine living your day without worrying about sudden lightheadedness. Why wait to reclaim your energy and confidence? Claritox Pro is here. Your balance matters. Don't let dizziness hold you back anymore. Ready to transform your life? Grab Claritox Pro today.